Please do I require more, better than we ever had before. Gonna be home, though I couldn't blame.
Today I got something a little different for y'all. Y'all know I love the long 30-inch, 26-inch, 28-inch wigs, but this wig right here is 16 inches long. It's something more natural, and I know a lot of you like shorter wig styles, and this wig is just so freaking cute. It is a full frontal wig. It is a 13 by 4 inch HD lace frontal wig. It already came pre-plucked. The hairline looks really nice and clean, y'all. It's very easy to install. I'm gonna show y'all how I clumped the curls today and got them super defined just like this. Today's wig is from Wiggins Hair, and I want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. So this is their curly 16-inch 13 by 4 inch HD lace frontal wig, and it has a 250% density, y'all. Like, this baby can get even bigger than this. I clumped the curls so they're a little bit more tamed and defined, but you could definitely like pick this hair out and get it so freaking full. I am loving the way that these curls came out, y'all. This hair is so soft. It was easy to style. If you're interested in seeing how I installed this wig today and styled her, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching. So let's go ahead and unbox this wig from Wiggins Hair. This is a frontal wig, y'all, so I'm excited to install it. Once you open up the box, here is your wig, and then my wig came packaged inside of this plastic bag right here, y'all. There's also some freebies on the bottom of this box. So we have a satin bag that says Wiggins Hair, an edge brush, lashes, a satin bag, a satin scarf, and an HD wig cap. So let's go ahead and open the wig. This is their curly texture, and it is 16 inches long, y'all. So it is not long at all. Also, if you notice, the density of this wig is quite full. It is a 250% density wig, y'all. Here is a close-up of the frontal. It is a 13 by 4 inch HD lace frontal. It comes with a pre-plucked hairline, and it comes with very small lightly bleached knots, y'all. And then here is the inside of the cap. It also has 2 wig combs in the front on either side here. It has 1 wig comb in the back here, and it also has an adjustable elastic band to tighten it on your head. So let's go ahead and install this wig, y'all. Well, that was super easy to just throw on my head. As you can see, it already comes with a nicely pre-plucked hairline here. I'm going in with my eyebrow scissors, and we're just gonna cut around the ear area here, and then cut this lace in the back area as well. And then I'm gonna pull my ear out, and it sits nice and flush to my hairline now. I'm gonna do the exact same thing on this side, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Bold Hold liquid gold today to lay down this wig, and I'm not gonna do it in sections. I'm just gonna apply it all over my hairline. So I'm gonna take the back of this rat tail comb, and then I'm going to just blend out that Bold Hold liquid gold. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and pull down the lace. And then I'm going to take the back of my comb and just press it into the lace. And I'm gonna take my blow dryer on a warm setting, y'all, and set it. And I'm gonna do the same on this side as well. And I'm gonna take my elastic melting band and tie it around my hairline. Tie it as tight as you can without hurting yourself, of course. I'm gonna leave this on my head for about 10 to 15 minutes, and I'll be right back. I let the elastic band sit on my head for 15 minutes, and let's go ahead and remove it and see if we have this lace nice and melted, honey. Okay. Oh, Okay, so let's go ahead and start removing all this excess lace. I'm using these eyebrow scissors again, and I'm just gonna cut in a zigzag motion around my entire hairline, y'all. Next, I'm gonna use my Ebon Wonder Lace Melting Spray. I feel like I haven't used this in so long, and I'm gonna spray this around the entire hairline to get this lace nice and melted in the front, y'all. And then I'm gonna take my elastic band again, and we're gonna do a second melt, y'all. So I went ahead and melted that lace for a second time, and let's see how the lace is looking now. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little bit of powder and just apply it to the front of the lace right here, y'all. So it just blends in with my skin tone. And I'm gonna do the same on this side as well. So let's go ahead and do a middle parting on this wig. I'm gonna go ahead and fix the parting. Next, I'm gonna take my Ebon wax stick and I'm gonna apply it around my parting area to get this area nice and flat. And then I'm gonna use my spritz and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this around the parting area as well, y'all. Next, I'm gonna take my Infinity Pro hot comb and we are going to get this area nice and flat. Y'all know how I feel about this step. It is like my favorite step to do. Next, I'm gonna take a little bit of my concealer. This is my Studio Finish Concealer in the shade NC45. And we're just gonna get that parting area nice and defined the way that I like it. So let's go ahead and start defining the curls on this wig, y'all. I'm gonna take my spray bottle mixture. This has water and Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in, and we're going to spray this hair down, get it nice and saturated so we can define these curls, y'all. Next, I'm gonna take my Denman brush and just brush through this hair just to make sure that it's nice and detangled, y'all. Next, I'm gonna take my mousse. This is the Lotta Body, and we're gonna generously coat all the hair with this mousse, y'all. I'm gonna take a little bit more and go on the ends here. Then I'm gonna take my Denman brush in small sections and I'm going to use it to really define and make these curls pop. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this back side right here. Then I'm gonna take a couple of strands of the hair and I'm going to use it to just get these ends nice and clumped the way that I like them, y'all. As you can see, all these little gorgeous ringlets, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and go to this next section up here. I'm gonna saturate this hair down as well up top, just like I did on the bottom, y'all. Make sure each strand is nice and coated evenly. So once I've generously coated the hair, I'm gonna take my Denman brush again and just brush through the hair just to detangle it, y'all. Next, I'm gonna take my Lotta Body again, and we're gonna run it through this top part of the hair as well. Then I'm gonna take my Denman brush again, and then just go all the way up with it to get the curls popping. Returning the brush, just like that. And then now I'm gonna take a little bit more mousse on my hands and I'm gonna start clumping these curls. And I'm gonna keep going until I've got this whole side completely done and clumped, y'all. And here is the last section, y'all. I'm gonna do this side off camera and I'll be back. So now the curls on this wig have been fully defined and I have clumped all of the curls together on the bottom so we can get these gorgeous ringlets on the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and let this hair fully air dry. I'm gonna do my makeup and then I'll be back to show y'all the final results. So it's been a few hours. I let my hair completely air dry, y'all. And as you can see, the hair dried nice and clumped together. The curls are very defined and clumped. So what we're gonna do now is take a wide tooth comb and just pick the hair and lift it up to get some more volume. Okay. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of oil. This is the Garnier Moroccan Sleek Oil Treatment. And we're gonna start on this side first. I'm just going to take it on the bottom of the curls just to make sure the hair is not frizzy here. And then what I'm gonna start doing is just bringing a few of these curls and breaking them apart, y'all. So I hope y'all can see the difference. This is what the hair looks like without doing any sort of pulling the curls apart. And then here is what it looks like on this side. As you can see, the curls are still nice and defined, but the hair just looks a lot fuller. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same on this side and I'll be right back. So here is the finished look after I pulled apart all the curls. They are nice and defined and super fluffy. I normally don't go for a 16-inch wig, but I really feel like it works in this particular wig style because it has a high density, and I absolutely love clumping these curls. It looks so stinking cute. If you're interested in checking out this wig from Wiggins Hair, I will leave a link down below in the description box for you guys, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. If you're interested in checking out the full makeup that I am rocking in this video, you can go ahead and click the box right here. It'll take you to the makeup tutorial, y'all.